If you are between 6th grade and your last year of university in Colorado, did you know that you could win $1,000? Let me explain. The Colorado Women's Hall of Fame wants you to submit a short video on powerful women. This is an incredible opportunity for you to submit something meaningful, showcase your creativity, and possibly win some super awesome prizes. So here's what you need to know to get started. Let's go over 5 key points that will guide your video submission. First, this contest is open to all young people in Colorado if you're between 6th grade and your last year of getting your undergraduate university degree. If that's you, awesome, let's get started. Second, your video must align with the mission of the Colorado Women's Hall of Fame. You can find all the information on our website, but in short, it's about recognizing women who have made significant achievements and inspired others along their story. Third, pick a region in Colorado that you would like to focus on and select a woman from the Colorado Women's Hall of Fame who lived in, worked in, or impacted your region. The woman that you choose must be an inductee of the Colorado Women's Hall of Fame. Include at least one location connected to her story. Tell us about her achievements, why she inspires you, and how she embodies the mission of the Colorado Women's Hall of Fame. I'd recommend using a mix of sources to really bring her story to life. Number 4, personal inspiration. Bring your own experience into the mix. Talk about the woman in your life you're inspired by and how their stories connect to the inductee that you've chosen. Just make sure it's original, links personal inspiration to the inductee that you've chosen, and engages your audience. Now here's some logistics. The deadline is July 1st, 2026. Make sure to get your entry in by then, and there are no late entry submissions. Each participant can only submit one video. Your submission will be judged based on your originality, creativity, and how well it connects to the theme of the contest. Now let's go over the prizes. There will be 3 finalists from 3 different age groups. If you're a finalist, you get to attend the Colorado Women's Hall of Fame Gala and VIP event. There will be 1 grand prize winner who will win $1,000. Your video will be shown at the gala, and you will get an award presentation on stage. So get creative, share your story. The Colorado Women's Hall of Fame is excited for you to join us, and so am I.